How important na kumbaga nagkaroon kayo ng win streak heading to the playoffs, knowing na kumbaga may struggle ngayong team, and na-mention din rin nung nakaraang laban na kumbaga you were trying to reset them.
I think momentum is very important for us, lalo na this coming playoffs. Siyempre yung it helps us to boost our morale. And ayun, at least kahit pa paano, pagdating ng playoffs, hindi kami galing sa lubok talaga.
Speaking of morale and mental reset, yung game 1, na perfect game kayo, and then obviously na-sweep you pa rin yung event, pero how did you guys climb out of that? Kasi parang after seeing yung game 1, parang you'd think na parang nawala yung mental for most teams, pero how did you guys recover?
I think isa yun sa pinapractice namin ngayon. Kasi from week 1 to week 7, wala kaming game na nanalo kami ng 2-1. Either 1-2, 0-2, or 2-0 lang yung games namin. So, ibig sabihin, isa talaga sa kailangan namin practice hindi siya makapag-reset. And I think kahapon lang and today, nagkaroon kami ng 2-1 na games. So, yeah, nanalo kami ng game 3. Usually, talo talaga kami pag game 3. So, magandang practice siya para sa amin. And yun nga, dahil alam naman ng both team na kailangan namin makapag-reset and ma-experience talaga kung paano nga ba ginagawa yun. So kaya I think blessing this guys na natalo kami ng game 1 para makapag-reset talaga. Practice namin kung paano mag-reset.
Okay, so anyone can answer lang. Siyempre galing yung team sa pagiging F7 World Champion, tapos at the same time, sa huling naka-clinch ng playoff spot this season. Ano lang yung kumbaga maaasahan ng mga fans nyo, supporters nyo? What can they expect sa team nyo sa playoffs?
I think yun nga, yung M7 form na gustong-gusto talaga namin maibalik, almost there, nakikitaan naman ng glimpse, pero wala pa sa ngayon. So, isa yun sa pinaka-gusto talaga namin magawa before mag-playoffs. So, hopefully, matapos namin kung ano yung pinapractice namin para maging ready kami talaga pagdating sa playoffs.
Okay, thank you so much. Let's move on to our exclusive interviews.